little bit naughty.
What?
I can keep this on because it's kind of warm.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
We are here trying to get a Christmas tree, but it looks like there's already slim pickings. I don't know why there's like a shortage on trees this year, but we'll see what we can do.
We are the fortunate ones, all us daughters and sons, everyone's still here, and that's something to be grateful about. Let's be grateful we're still here. Yeah, we're still here for another Merry Christmas. And we're still here with our family and friends.
Too big!
Yeah, it is too big.
Big! No! Not for
To make things bright, we're still here for another Christmas.
So disappointing, but we're gonna have to pick our tree from freaking the hardware store down the street because our farm, two places. We have an education group that we usually go to, and that's out, and then the farm is out. She's faking. That's okay to be tired. Was it weird getting our tree like that at a hardware store this year? Yeah, not like tradition, that's for sure. And we're gonna listen to Christmas music, and we're gonna have hot chocolate.
And well, I want to put on the
You wanna put on the star? Okay. Dada will help you.
Oh, we're still here for another Merry Christmas.
Johnny, is there a tree in the house? Yeah. Is it crazy to have a tree in your house? Yeah. We'll see how it actually turns out, but so far so good.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, mamas? Thank you for staying to the end for Vlogmas Day 6. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Getting our Christmas tree was a little bit of an adventure, one that was very unexpected and non-traditional, but I guess that's what we could say for this entire year, so it is what it is. But tonight I am so super excited to share with you my friend Holly's product. Holly is someone that has created a company that has sensory kit boxes for children. They're amazing. Holly's on a mission to encourage families to work together through sensory play inspired by literature. She puts these little sensory boxes together based on the age of your child. What these sensory boxes do is that they encourage independent play. So maybe while mom's cooking dinner or doing the laundry, the kids can be at the table engaging in the sensory boxes all on their own. But it's also an activity that, you know, the whole family could get together and do together. And so it's really a great opportunity for you to build stronger bonds within your family unit, but it's also a great thing for a mom to be able to do things and have your kids occupied and know that they're safe in the materials that they're using. It is such an incredible idea. Now Holly's son actually came up with the name Broccoli Boxes. So I thought that was super cute. He is an adorable little redheaded boy. Holly's been at this for a few months now and she's been doing amazing. She's getting wonderful feedback. I cannot wait to try the sensory boxes from my children at my own house. And as soon as I do that, I will definitely make a video so I can share with you everything that we got and how well it went. So I'm super excited to promote Holly tonight. I'm gonna put her linked in the description box below. And I'll also leave you a link to so you can connect with Holly on Facebook. She's just been great to talk to. I was really excited to learn about these sensory boxes. She does subscriptions and she does like a one-time buy. So even if you're not interested, you could share it with somebody else that might be interested. I really think this actually might be a great thing too for like kindergarten teachers or preschool teachers. I don't know if you get like your school to like get some kind of subscription and maybe even do like small groups or something like that. My mind was spinning as soon as I learned about all the great things that she has. So definitely check her out. Thank you so much, Holly, for letting me promote you in this video. And I'm so excited for you guys to check her out. So excited that you guys could join me today and watch all of our crazy adventures. I really wish that I got the girls playing outside in the snow and I missed it. And I was so mad because I was cleaning out a closet, which I probably should have vlogged on its own because that was an entire project, which let's just not even go there. It was a little crazy. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel. All of the support means so much to me, so the more that you comment and like and share, the better it supports me on this YouTube channel. So I really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 7.